Number 1, determine whether the relation represents a function. For each function, state the domain and range. So since they give us a set of coordinate pairs to represent this relation, let's start by noting that each coordinate has an input and an output that are often labeled as x and y. And we know that a relation is a function when for every input there's only one output. So if we create an arrow diagram with each input pointing to its output, we can easily determine whether or not this relation is a function. And when we do that, we can see that this relation is a function because for every input, there's only one output. But suppose we added a coordinate pair, and it's -1, 5. Then this relation would no longer be a function because for -1, we have an output of 0, and we have an output of 5. But since that's not the case, we can determine that this is a function, and we can move on to stating our domain and range. So we know that the domain is the set of all input values. So for this relation, the domain is -1, 2, and 4. And the range is the set of all output values. So our range is 0 and 3.